Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Sharul and Dr. Aidil. I am Muhammad Ashraf bin Anwar. Would like to present my FYP2 presentation entitled Parametric Study of Getting System Design for Magnesium Casting of Test Piece under supervision from IR Dr. Daniel Ibrahim and co-supervised by the Associate Prof. Dr. Yutas Nami from Tokai University. So a little bit introduction about this study. This study is focusing on the casting of test piece. A test piece is a tool to measure and detecting 90-degree angle product. Moving on to the research objective. So the research objective of this study is to select the die casting machine parametric values that cause variation of porosity and then complete CFD simulation with alteration of parametric level and then collect data and then identify the effect on temperature and velocity distribution of molten metal based on modification of parametric value and then reducing defects due to porosity, and lastly comparison between the optimized design with modified parametric value and sample mode. Moving on to literature review, so a study is conducted to analyze the porosity form on the test piece. So from the figure here, we can see that the X-ray CT scan result from the test piece product. So the study found out that most porosity is found on the thick spot of the test piece. Next, previous study that use vacuum system is conducted by Jasmine Jendia in 2019, showing comparison between the atmospheric pressure operating condition and operating condition of 0.005 Pascal. So the result shows that by lowering the operating condition below the atmospheric pressure, the distribution of velocity is more evenly distributed. So it will prevent a bubble to be created. So the methodology that is used to conduct this study is by selecting the parameters for boundary condition, which is velocity of the molten metal and the operating condition of at the event. So the inlet velocity of molten metal is selected ranging from 1.5 meter per second until 3.0 meter per second, as we can see here from the table. And the operating condition at the event is ranging from -10 Pascal until 10,000 Pascal. So a total of 36 simulation is done in order to get a set of data consisting each of the parameter used. The result. So the graph here in figure 6 and 7 shows a pattern of graph shows that the meshing for the simulation is in good quality. So good quality of meshing could reduce calculation errors, allow better convergence, and assure high accuracy of the numerical solution from the simulation. So of all the data collected from this completed CFD simulation, it is all plotted into this 3D graph. This graph shows how the modification of parametric value could lead to different outcome, which is pressure at the critical point. The positioning of critical point I will show later. So from the graph we can say that as the inlet velocity increase, the pressure created at the critical point is increasing too for all operating condition. High pressure of molten metal is desirable as it helps dispersing the air bubble at the thick spot at the critical point, dispersing away from the die casted product, which is to the overflow or the event. So this is where the critical point is located at the very middle of the thickest spot of the test piece. So why we choose at the middle of it? Because from the previous literature review that I mentioned, it is found out that most porosity is formed at that particular point. So next is the result showing the effect of modification of inlet velocity toward velocity distribution of test piece. So from figure 9, by selecting the operating pressure 10,000 Pascal, but different inlet velocity, So we can see here as the inlet velocity increase, higher inlet velocity causing more turbulent flows, which cause this. From figure 9c here we can see that the space at the die cavity is not fully occupied by the molten metal. Next, the effect of modification of inlet velocity towards the temperature distribution of the molten metal. So this figure shows the inner temperature distribution of the cross section from the critical point. So as you can see here, as the inlet velocity increase, the more unstable the temperature distribution are. So the high temperature region, which is not good. So the high temperature region will solidify later than the other region. The solidified molten metal might trap the air bubbles. Thus, insufficient molten metal to completely fill the section. The different cooling rate can cause shrinkage to cast product and increase porosity defect due to ununiform solidification. Next is the surface temperature distribution. This one is also same as the inner temperature distribution. As the inlet velocity increase, the more unstable distribution of temperature. Next figure is showing the effect of modification of operating condition towards velocity distribution of molten metal and the temperature distribution. So the result shows that no significant changes is created by changing the operating condition for velocity distribution and temperature distribution. But then the numerical result for inlet velocity 2.0 meter per second is shown from the table here. So it was found out that when operating condition 10 Pascal, the pressure at critical point is the highest, which is more preferable, because the more pressure at the critical point, the more it helps in dispersing away the air bubble trap. Next is the comparison of machine parametric values provided by Kyokuto Die Casting and the modified parametric value on optimized design. So the figure shows that the sample mode, the vortex is formed. This will cause porosity. Meanwhile, by using same inlet velocity of molten metal but different operating condition, which is 10,000 Pascal, the velocity distribution is more evenly distributed, occupying the spaces of the die cavity. Next is the comparison for the temperature distribution for the die cast product. So we can see here from figure 15a. So the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature found at the thick spot is 196.9 Kelvin, while the from the optimized mode design with operating condition of 10,000, the difference is only 39.3 Kelvin. So it shows that the higher the difference in highest temporary region and lowest temporary region, the more possibilities that the porosity is formed. As the conclusion for this study is the parameter that could cause porosity in die casting product is the inlet velocity of molten metal and the operating condition at the event. The increasing inlet velocity will cause more turbulence and unbalanced temperature distribution, which cause more porosity, while the increasing pressure of operating condition causing no significant changes towards the velocity and temperature distribution of the molten metal, but can cause changes of pressure at the critical point. Lastly, the amount of porosity is reduced by applying the modified parametric value into the optimized design. So the recommendation is increasing the parametric range during simulation to increase the possibilities to detect defect source. Next is analyzing process. Should consider other parameters such as the cooling system of the mold and the different phases of plunger speed. And lastly, recommendation is More reliable software such as JSCAS, ModFrontIR, and MagmaSoft needs to be utilized by students to get better results.